effort to appear sly.
They going to the roof. They going to the roof.
Two of them picked the third one in such a way.
What's up, OT Squad? How you doing? Before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification, and like button.
What's up, OTS, man? We back with another little wop, man. And today, you know we still got them thonks, man. They're coming back to back. They're gonna be in every video. Like, if you got an issue, you might as well kick rocks. No, but look, I just clicked on this video, and it's the first thing I just saw. You see this shit? What the fuck? They on that doofy shit, that doofy goofy shit, But look, man, before we jump into this video, man, make sure y'all leave that like, man. Make sure y'all subscribe, because we be dropping bangers every day. Every day. And drop your comment down below, man. And today, little whoop, man, I'm feeling like giving out a 30 bar, man. So $30, man, if you can find the hidden word somewhere in the video, you comment that down, you're gonna be entered to win. We spin every day over on our Instagram, link down below in the description, man. Make sure y'all tap in, and we're gonna jump into this. Bro, they throwing me off. What they doing? Oh yeah, I didn't even say the name of the fucking. It be the thonks, bro. But yeah, 50 disturbing moments called Doorbell Camera Volume 10. I guess there's other videos of this goofy activity happening. You know what I'm saying? This is a 49-minute video. We not watching all this shit. We just finna see some of this goofy ass shit that they doing.
Be careful, please. You're full, please, mama. Mama.
Because guess what?
Hold on.
Come through, no me. Picking the arm on the wrong.
Get off the block. Now.
Oh, okay. I thought this was the
video. A guy and a woman were caught attempting to break into this house. Fortunately, the neighbors prevented them from entering the house. The doorbell footage with the man and woman is displayed on the video. The man plans to break into the residence with the help of his pregnant girlfriend.
Goofy shit. You got your pregnant girlfriend and your baby, cuz. Don't forget, it's 3 of y'all out here now. Y'all sitting back here lollygagging in somebody's backyard. Like, bro, you should never be scrambling this hard in your life, cuz. Like, you really risk your baby getting clapped so you could. You don't even know if they only got $5 in that bitch. Come on now. Use a goofy. He acting real thunky right now, cuz. Look at this. You can tell he thunky as hell. Why this lighter never work when I come in here? Bro, it's all thunky activity, cuz. I'm
The resident
disappointed,
sees this
cuz.
on the camera and requests the neighbor to check out the situation. When the neighbor confronts them, they begin to back away and explain how they know the residents.
Hey, what y'all doing back there? What y'all doing back there? Nah, this our people here. How is it y'all people y'all leaving? You want me to call the laws on you? Okay, who stay here?
Evidently, they didn't think about the possibility of being on camera. They eventually left and were not seen again. This doorbell camera caught a crazed man disturbing.
I can't enjoy the video when I can't like my thonk. I can like my thonk now. It hit different when you can like your thonk and enjoy your video.
His just relocated neighbor. Around 2 months had passed since this new tenant moved in, yet the man who lived downstairs had been persistently hammering on the door. This repeated several times each day. The woman who lived there refused to open the door since she was either alone or out. The weird man would casually interrogate her about unknown people when she did open the door. He arrived one morning at 4 a.m. and began kicking the door when he didn't receive a response. Finally, the woman gave in and dialed 911. Thankfully, the police finally responded to the report and arrested the man. He must be out of prison by now, so you must take immediate action against this guy if you see him on your door. This woman in San Diego.
It hit different, bro, when you got crazy people out here, man. Like, that's what you spending your time doing. You could be getting some money, but instead you banging on a female door. She home alone or not there, and you wasting your time.
California.
Don't be acting thunky, y'all. Don't do that thunky ass shit.
Was caught in a doorbell footage acting crazy and disturbing the residents. She comes into the frame boldly and knocks on the door. She breaks into the property and continues to take the package that was owned by the homeowners.
That's right. You know me. Swear to God, no. Yes. Swear to God, I'm gonna break. You gotta package up, bitch. I'm gonna open this shit right now. Bitch, you know what's going on.
I mean, shit, you could tell they somewhere in the trenches.
I swear to God, like, it's coming here, so.
To leave a message, you can do it now.
She tears open the package placed on the doorstep after grabbing it. She then takes the sign at the door and throws it away in the distance.
Fine. I swear to God, this little Angel Ramirez, please leave me alone. I swear to God. Like, boy, you think, oh my God, you're so petty. I swear to God, it's Angel Ramirez all the same time. Like Shannon. Try it again. No. Come on, huh?
Bro, sometimes I be rolling them too fat. I know this ain't got shit to do with the video, alright? But sometimes I be rolling them too fat and they do not stay lit. That shit be bogus as hell. It don't matter how long this phone. Y'all don't care.
What is the second ice cream? Swear to God, like, this shit.
Shorty mad that you stole Shorty package and don't want it. It wasn't yours. It hit different.
The camera captures her taking the stuff out of this parcel and leaving the residence. An unsettling woman is seen outside a home late at night, as captured by the doorbell camera. She either appears to be in need of assistance.
Hey man, as you see, this in Detroit, man. If y'all got, let me know what city are y'all from, man. Let me know if y'all experience some weird doorbell shit, man. I want to know.
Or is manipulating the residents. The woman who lives there converses
Cause
with
it
her.
hit different. You outside my shit, cause your ass 100% getting popped. Cause if I don't pop you, somebody in this bitch gonna pop you. Cause I ain't gonna like get off my.
While keeping the door shut.
It hit different.
Who is it?
The weird woman outside simply introduces herself as the teacher's daughter and states that she has to use the restroom.
Who is it?
Because I'm trying to use the bathroom. I'm the teacher's daughter.
But the day before, she was seen attempting to open the door on the doorbell camera. Fortunately, she was unable to. Therefore, she joined her male friend in walking away.
You could see it on her face, cuz. You can see it on her face. Folks in the back, folks back here, done hyped Shorty head up, cuz. First off, she's so fucking retarded. Why are you the one doing it? I'm telling you, bro, like, even if he got some, bro, your ass was gonna get $100, $50 if he got some. If he didn't, your ass just being a goofy on the doorbell camera that you already seen. I know your dumb ass synced it. That shit say ring. Fuck is you talking about? Don't be thunky, y'all. For the females, don't do this shit for these scrambling ass niggas. And the niggas, y'all need to go get some money, cuz this not it. It hit different.
The doorbell camera. Fortunately, she was unable to. Therefore, she joined her male friend in walking away.
Like, do Shorty got a pipe on her? No. So if I see you come through my doorbell shit, you still getting hit too. Fuck is you talking about? The whole door really gonna get hit. Anybody standing behind this door while you trying to open my door is getting hit. I will replace the door later. Fuck is you talking about?
What were her real intentions? Did she really just want to use the bathroom? A doorbell camera recorded this video.
New York.
It captured a dreadful woman attempting to force her way into the tenant's apartment. She uses force to break down the door, even though there still are people inside the apartment.
They be trying so hard to take that motherfucker off.
She tries to smash the camera to stop it from recording and continues to slam the door. She is being yelled at to stop by the woman.
This is why I say, bro, it don't matter. It don't matter who you is, what you do, or where you at. Your ass better on the strap. No cap. Cause look, you could just be a single mama, or you could be my cone-headed dog doing shit. Look at him coming in here with a cone, cuz. Coming in here with a cone. Y'all see him with a cone? Come here. Hop up here. Can't even hop up here. You fat ass cone in the way. Alright, get out. Out. Here I come, man. That's Pablo. That's my boy Pablo, man. His ass he been going through it. But now look. Back to what I was just saying. You could be a single mama, no kids, single mama, 3 kids, married, 5 kids. It don't matter, cuz you could still live next to some crazy, dumbass person. They got a fat ass middle rod. Your ass probably don't know how to fight. Even if you do, that's still a fat ass middle rod. Your ass gonna get whacked in your shit. It hit different. Keep you a little thing. You ain't gotta like on her. You wouldn't have to use it, bro. You just gotta run. Like, let her know what it is, cuz. Put that shit down. Just so you can get your piece, and you know what I'm saying? You ain't did shit. You ain't in the wrong.
Residing in the apartment, but she begins to act out and fight back.
And now they arguing and shit. See? If Shorty just came out this bitch, what's up? It hit different when I want to help Shorty right now, cuz Shorty tweaking, cuz quit hitting my door, my camera.
She succeeds in removing the doorbell camera.
She what? What did she do? Let me know. I want to know what she really did.
She was still being filmed by the stolen camera and can be seen backing away in a hurry. This doorbell video was recorded in Oklahoma City. The dog inside the home barks furiously, appearing to be alert to the weird, strange man outside. The man first makes an unsuccessful attempt to enter through the back entrance. Then, he decides to alter his plan and enter through the front entrance. He does so right away and with success.
They left their door unlocked? You can't be leaving your door unlocked in no circumstance whatsoever. My fault. They ain't leave it open. Folks really wanted to get in that bitch. He know it's something in there. Going through the front kind of crazy.
He quickly runs through the home gathering the valuables items. He quickly exits through the back door and dashes into the waiting vehicle as soon as he hears someone.
We watching one more after this, bro. Nigga just dropped everything he just stole. You broke my door. You took my blanket. And then dropped my kids' peppers outside. Call your ass a donkey. I'm getting heated, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Look at him.
The car was described to be a red Malibu
He
with a
didn't
paper
get
tag
shit.
and an unidentified female driver. 3 men were spotted in the doorbell
He
footage
didn't
of
get
this
shit.
residence.
This the
Given
one I
that
wanted
it
to
is
know,
late at
bro.
night, they make every effort to appear sly.
They going to the roof. They going to the roof.
2 of them pick the third one in such a way that he reaches over and grabs the flag.
They doing this for a flag? See, this that privilege shit. I would say go get some money, but you know damn well they ain't getting no money. They people's got the.
They did not harm anyone but managed to steal the flag. Fortunately, they left afterward. Through the doorbell camera, a suspicious individual was noticed outside a residence. Your amazement at what he demands from the resident is guaranteed. He acts
This is the last
naive
one.
and appears to be unable to speak English when the woman inside the house asks him if he needs anything.
Hello? How may I help you?
Sorry, good night,
He continues by requesting permission to use the restroom in his shaky English.
Hey, do this be working for motherfuckers? Do motherfuckers just be letting you in their house to use the restroom? Cause I ain't never seen nobody in my city allow that shit to happen or ask that dumbass shit.
Obviously disagreeing with
I'ma
him,
say get your
the
thunky
woman
ass
says
on,
she will
cuz.
call the police.
Can I use the bathroom? No.
No. I'm getting ready to call.
Oh,
the police.
thank you. Oh, thank you. Es que comprende, no speak English, Spanish. Yes.
We're going to call the police so they can come check the building.
No problem. No police, no, thank you.
The odd man tells her that he is from Nicaragua and that he will be fine while continuing to seem innocent.
Can I use
Get your
the
thunky
bathroom?
ass
I am
on.
from Nicaragua. Can I use the bathroom?
Hit his ass with the
Usar
cops
el
is on the
baño.
way right now.
No problem, no police. Let's go, come on. Good night. Sorry.
Get out, conehead.
He eventually bids her farewell and leaves.
Cause guess what? You as a nigga, your ass better go piss in that bush or shit in that trash can, cuz it hit different when you gotta use leaves, man. Hey, on that note, make sure y'all go ahead and leave that like, man. Make sure you go ahead and leave that sub. If you found the hidden word, make sure you comment that down below. And any suggestions you want on any future videos. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one.